Hello friends, welcome to the e-lecture of cost accounting standards, paper number 8, or CMA enter. So let us start the class preface of cost accounting standards. The Council of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has constituted the Cost Accountants Board within the objectives of formulating the within the objective of formulating and cost accounting standard. The Council of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has constituted the Cost Accounting Standards Board with the objectives of formulating cost accounting standards after recognizing the need of structural approach to measurement as cost as so as to provide the guidance to the organizations, government bodies, regulators, research agencies, academic institutions and others to achieve the uniformity and consistency in classification of measurements and assignment of cost. The Council of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, the Council of the Institute, not an institute, the Council of the Institute, not a institute, the Council of the Institute. I emphasis to say the Council of the Cost Accountants of India has constituted with the objectives of formulating the cost accounting standards after recognizing the need of structural approach to measurement as a cost so as to provide the guidance to the users of organizations, government bodies, regulators and research agencies, academic institutions and others to achieve the uniformity and consistency in classification of measurement and assignment of cost. So this is the next, the composition of cost accounting standard board will be broad-based and ensure the participation to all interest groups in standing setting process. So the cost accounting board has to bring all the interest groups who have interest to control the classification and measurements. Any suggestions to the council, they also has been nominated by the Council of the Institute, the Council of the Institute of Cost Accounting Standards of Board. This is the first 6 members has been nominated by the council and they elected the chairman, that is called Cost Accounting Standard Board chairman will nominated by the Council of the Institute, after nominated the 6 members and 1 chairman, so also the council represented all the others outsourcing like central government. So central government nominee, the council also nominated apart from 6 members. The council also take Central Government of India from Minister represented by Minister of Corporate Affairs and advisory cost from cost audit, branch audit and Minister MCA, that is Minister of Corporate Affairs and Government of India. So Central Board of Excise and Customs, Central Board of Government of India and Central Board of Directors of the CBDT department also nominated by the Central Government of India. 2 members of the institute are leading companies. So 2 members of the institute leading in companies and 3 members from the Industries Association, 3 members from Industries Association, that is CIA, Confidence Indian Industry and Food Corporation India Authority, FCC and Association and Control Auditor General. 4 from regulators and regulators from 4, that is CAG, RBI, SEBI and IRD and RI. Academic institutions, IIM and MDI and universities. 2 academic institutions as nominated by and represented by the universities. 2, that is 2 academic institutions. 4 eminent practice members. Our institute practice 4 eminent practice of the institute. 4 represented by the institute. 4 eminent and president is authorized to expert knowledge. So Indian government has been presidented in the expert knowledge of cost and management accountancy, also nominated by the president. President is also nominated by the maximum of 2. within the maximum of 2. The President is authorized to expert knowledge in cost and management accountancy. Has also nominated by 2. So this is the cost accounting standards of preface, how the cost accounting standard board has been constituted. So hope you like this video. So please like, share, subscribe.